So today I'm doing a camping video. I tried to do one, but it wouldn't send for some reason. I had to trim it. We done it on my dad's phone. So as you can see, we have a fire. Our camping dog left.
He'll be back.
We have a lamp set up with a saw, like a knife-looking saw. And I didn't get it right the last time, so my dad had to tell me, but I got it now. It's hatchets. Got it right. Then we have our chairs. We have my tent over there. He'll show you. Then we have his set up over there. If you want to tell them what you're sleeping with.
You want me to tell them what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm sleeping in a hammock tonight. I've got a tarp, keep the wind off of me, and a sleeping bag wrapped around it to hopefully keep me warm. We'll see how it goes.
And catch you if you fall.
Oh, well, the last time I fell, it did not catch the ground anyway.
No, I thought it caught you. So,
What time will we get out here and set up camp?
about 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
2:30, somewhere around that. Somewhere in between that, at least.
Yeah.
So we set up at 2, around 2:30, 2 or 2:30, somewhere in between that. We had to go to my grandma and grandpa's for a late Christmas, and that was actually pretty fun. I got to see all my cousins, almost all of them. There's some cousins that didn't go, which they live in Indiana, so. But my cousins, they used to live, I have some cousins that lived in Boaz, and then they moved to Alabama, or not Alabama, Arab, and now they're back in Boaz. It took me a while to get there, but I got to see my little cousin. His name's Leo. I can't remember who told me, but somebody told me that he was years old. Let's go show them what I have in my tent.
Okay.
I'll take my viewers. So, my light's not as bright. So, we have my tent over here. My finger just blocked the view. So, I'll open it. Ugh. I have my chair bag. Abby's, which is my sister, her chair bag. I have an air mattress right there, a blanket, another blanket right there, and a pillow. That's a sleeping bag. That's a I got some Dr. Pepper back there. If I didn't show you, I got a camo bag and a pocket right here that has a flashlight. Pretty nice. That's all for my tent. This is like the whole storage space. This is my bed space. It keeps pausing. I don't know why, but like it always does that. So I'll have to cancel post notifications because YouTube unfortunately disabled my comments again. I had it working, and I said in one of the comments on vlog 3, I think it was, I remember which one it was, but I said that I would try to figure out why all my videos are pausing. So, and I still haven't figured that out. So, like I said, we can't do any post notification. What we have again, we have the fire, we have a camping dog somewhere, we have the chairs over there, we have a tree over here that has a hatchet, a saw that looks like a knife, another hatchet, and my lamp that I got for Christmas. Like my dad said, he has that over there.
Do you want to do another post in the morning to let them know how we slept, or?
Yeah, I think we should. Go to the dam, like the other side. If y'all have ever been there, then y'all know what I'm talking about. But if we go there, then I'll post a video about it. I won't. Hey, our camping dog's back. His name's Choco.
Choco, you want to tell YouTube hi?
He said hi. So, is he somewhat my brother?
Might as well be.
I'll call him my brother for this video. So, like I said, if we go to the other side, what are you doing? So, oh, excuse me. My dad's recording right now. What time is it?
I have no idea. It's after 10.
Yeah.
The owl's hooting now back here in the background. I doubt they can hear it, but you hear it?
That's coyotes.
No, that's it. That's an owl.
Will it hurt us?
No,
It sounds like coyotes.
it's an owl.
So we're going to wrap up the video. I hope you had a wonderful day, morning, and night, wherever you're from. So, yeah. Bye. Do you want to say bye to YouTube?
Bye, YouTube.
Bye.